What's up, guys? So in this video we're going to learn how to add a recovery email or recovery phone number to our Gmail accounts. So a recovery email or phone number is actually needed to be added to our Gmail accounts in case if our Gmail gets compromised, so we can easily recover it through the recovery Gmail or phone number. So if you want to add a recovery Gmail account or phone number to your account, what you just have to do, first you have to go over to your menu section and you search for Gmail. So okay, we have Gmail here, so you just click on Gmail. When you click on Gmail, then you have to go to your profile icon, which is most likely your picture or the icon attached to your Gmail account, which is this one here. So when you click on it, then you see a series of Gmail accounts, but since this is the account I'll be using to test this, I'll just have to click on manage your Google account. So when you click on manage your Google account, in most cases, as you can see here, we are already prompted to add a recovery phone number to it. But if you don't see this notice here, then you may have to scroll down and you have to go over to security and sign in. So when you get to security and sign in, there's a whole lot of information here that I would actually love to let us know. For example, devices you recently signed into and others. Then also even the two-step verification, which is also very important. Maybe I would make another video about that later. Then you scroll down and then you see recovery phone number and recovery email. So what you just have to do is that you would need to click on this recovery email. So when you click on recovery email, it's gonna bring you here. Okay, so it's gonna ask you to verify that this is your mailing account. So I'm just gonna verify with my fingerprint, and after verification, so after verification you'll be asked to add your recovery email account. So I'm just going to click on the plus and add recovery email. So I'll use one of my mailing accounts. So I'm just going to type it here. Okay, so I'm gonna use this and I'll click save. So when you click save, they will send a verification code to that Gmail account. So let me just go and verify. Okay, as you can see, the recovery email, the pin has been sent here. So I'm just going to copy it, and then I would go back to this page and I'll just paste it here. Okay, so it says that recovery email verified. So I've been able to add a recovery email right now. So I'll just have to go back, and when I go back, if you notice, you can see that the recovery email has been added to it. Then for the recovery phone number, we're just going to go through similar process by verifying that the account belongs to us using our fingerprint, which I just did, and from there it asks us to add a recovery phone number, which I would click, and then I can add my phone number to it to as a recovery phone number. So when you do that, you would have added your recovery email and phone number to this account. So this is how you can actually add a recovery email and phone number to your Gmail accounts. If you find this video helpful, please try to like and subscribe, and if you would want to learn about more content I create later, you can just hit on the notification bell. And thanks, and have a nice day.